3D printing every day for 365 days, day 24. Today we are 3D printing kitchen cabinet hooks. I found these design files on MakerWorld. After downloading and slicing the files, I got them printed and ready to test out in the kitchen. These hooks are designed to hang right over the drawer or cabinet door. They are perfect for holding kitchen dishcloths, oven mittens, and other essentials. Even though the styles are different, they each work exactly the same way to keep the kitchen tidy. Get in touch for your 3D printing needs and see you for day 25.